Darling, you have a girlfriend. You're just 11. Well, what's her name? Emily. Her name is Emily. I'm sure it's heaven. But all the same, there are things you need to know. Things established long ago. Your father is not here, and so Mother shall instruct you. Mother guarantees it. I suppose it's time we talk about the birds and the bees. It starts with a kiss from a miss like this. You're then diagnosed with chlamydia. The tiniest touch, yes, even this much, can lead to a bout of chlamydia. And I know some diseases are treatable, so it's possible you cure what you've got. But the thing with diseases is shame never eases, for once you have had it, you'll never have not. If your fellas find out about your bout, they'll certainly try to get rid of ya. So send your sweet misery to Sweden or Sicily, where you do not want her chlamydia. It often starts off with one small cough, but don't be confused, it's chlamydia. You'll sweat and you itch, you twitch and itch. It's likely a stitch of chlamydia. Then your skin starts a rapid discoloring, which is symptom of the worst setting on. As the sickness gets meaner, your wiener turns greener, and you awaken one day and it's gone. I know it sounds wrong, but say so long to what must be your favorite video. The girl gets the hatchet, or else you will catch it, and I doubt you much like chlamydia. What a mark it would be on our family tree to amass such a crass catastrophe. Whatever you do, remember you knew, so don't you come bawling and crawling to me. You'll break out in scores of warts and sores. It seeps through the pores and the spidia. So kick your sweet lassie out to Tallahassee. Yes, tell your good girlie your story is early. What presently thrills you is likely to kill you. You're dead or alive with chlamydia, chlamydia, chlamydia. Thought you were dead, but instead you've added a lifetime of syphilis. Your bones start to ache, they quake, then break. Your simple mistake gave you syphilis. Soon your ears, eyes, and tongue will start burning up. You'll be deaf and blind and also quite mute. You couldn't resist her and shouldn't have kissed her, but now you have rabies and scabies to boot. No, it's not nice, but pubic lice is part of the price you'll be paying up. You took her for Slurpees and wound up with herpes, hepatitis, and gangrene. Gone are the days for simpler ways, when a boy had a toy to enjoy for days. But now every child would rather be defiled and fiddled and fondled. I hope it's a phase. Your body gets wrecked, so let's reflect. Why waste away all of the kittia? We'll get you a lady by 20 or so tell your sweet missus to keep all her kisses.